How's it going, guys? It's me, Simon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to moon jump in Zelda Breath of the Wild, so let's begin. First, we need to head to the mounted archery camp, and we also need our horse. If you don't have a horse with you, the Highland stable is just east, and you can just follow the route and you'll be there in no time. But if you've got the ancient horse gear, just whistle and your horse will just appear. Okay, so once you have your horse, ride your horse over to the campfire and talk to the guy sitting down on the bench. His name is Ginny. He's going to ask you if you want to play his target game, and you're going to say yes and give him 20 rupees. What he doesn't know is we're not actually going to play his game. We're going to turn around and ride to the hills. So what we need to do for this moon jump glitch to work is to jump from our horse here onto another horse before the time ends. So the best way to do this is to head to the hills so we get good leverage and we can paraglide down onto one of the other horses. But first we've got to run down the clock. So we want to head towards the bush at the end of this cliff, as you can see in the distance, around 10 seconds I say. 10-11 seconds, jump, and then paraglide your way over onto another horse. So we have to be on the horse while it ends. So land on the horse, soothe it with L, and there we go. Now something funny is going to happen. For some reason, the horse will start galloping backwards. That's how you know that glitch is working. Just like that, by itself. So say you're in a hurry and then don't play his target game again, all you have to do now is to teleport away to any shrine and the moon jump glitch will be activated. So for those worried that this glitch will break your game, all you have to do is to shut down the whole game and the glitch is gone. But this glitch does let you jump incredibly high. So some things I've tried is to ride a dragon, but of course Farouche is an electric dragon, so that was a dumb idea. And I got electrocuted. And then I tried to escape the map. I went to the edge and then I tried to jump really high, but it just said you can't go any further. I guess the Truman Show wasn't lying. And then I tried the infinite korok seed glitch, which didn't work very well for me because I only managed to get 2 and then it wouldn't let me do anymore. So guys, consider subscribing for more content like this, or check out some of my other videos to help support my channel. I'm Simon from LOG Level 1 Gamer. Until next time, peace out. Oh yeah, I forgot, you won't take any full damage if you drop.